The 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power sunroof, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.